Hey everybody, this is the Flamingo Room, room 19135, in the Habitat Tower here at the Flamingo. Let's check it out. Alright, so some of my loyal viewers may remember that I stayed at the Flamingo last September in one of the almost classic sort of go rooms. But like many things that are classic, they were certainly beginning to show their age. We're a bit worn around the edges. These rooms are nice. As you can tell, we're taking a look at the bathroom at the moment. Just a single sink vanity thing. Big mirror. I'll put some clothes on this morning before I did this video because I don't think anybody wants to see me naked. Actually, if anybody wants to see me naked, let me know. I can show you my other channel. Just a standard shower. The soaking tub is going the way of free parking and no resort fees. If you haven't stayed at a Caesar's property lately, most of them now have these little dispensers instead of little bars of soap, and I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that. So, I don't know if I'm going to call that like a rain shower head. I guess it kind of is, yeah. I haven't tried the shower yet. Thought I wanted to make this video before I mess the place up too much, even though I did sleep here. Now this has your sort of barn door system going on here. Oh look, there's cool stuff on the back of your barn door. So it's, and again, that seems to be standard on some of the remodels of the older Caesar's properties. I don't know if I can get it to work. Oh yeah, the closet, which is a bit cramped. I don't love the closet, and you get like little chest of drawers. It's like a chest of drawers for an 8-year-old's room. It works. Someone's already got this scuffed up, which is not surprising. And you got your standard ironing board stuff. I did not mention you do get the, of course, all of the. There's a hairdryer in there along with my stuff. So, and you do get a little facial bar in here. So, but all right, let's take a look at the main portion of the room. Yeah, not that impressed. The bathroom's fine. Not impressed with the closet except the light coming on. I like that. This is an adjoining room. I didn't really hear anyone, but there may not be anybody over there. So, one of those big mirrors so you can check yourself out. I don't really check myself out. Little trash can, and then you have. This is what makes these flamingo rooms, I guess, is they have flamingos on the wall. Which again, it's nice. Got a modern thermostat. Stayed nice and cool in here. You got two nightstands. You do have a little sort of charging station. It's not like entertainment plug-ins that you see at some of the MGM properties, but it is convenient, and there's definitely several places you can charge. And of course, all kinds of electronics devices are charging today after yesterday I ran out of power on just about everything. It's a sort of standard big desk here. Pretty good sized television, probably 50-some-ish. And you can see me again. Now you got down here, you've got some storage space. On this section you've got yourself a little safe. And over here you have a little mini fridge for your own use and abuse. So that's fine. Of course, your standard ice bucket, glass, and of course all rooms come with a big pile of change. So in the corner you have a little table and chair. I guess you could eat in here. They do have room service of sorts part of the day, so you could. More flamingo-oriented artwork. And sort of a little reclining couch. A drunken person could sleep here. Big bed. I thought the bed was pretty comfortable. 4 big, powerful pillows. I was impressed with the pillows. Again, the nightstands are identical on both sides. So you have power on this one as well. There's a big lamp in the corner, I guess to illuminate this area if you want to read. I guess that'd be a good idea. reading. There's your room service menu. Someone will want me to hold that really close so they can read it all. Yeah, there you go. Not a great view, honestly. We have a view of these things down here. I don't know what those are. This is kind of in the the wildlife habitat area down here, which I've done a video on before, which I really like that area. But you don't really see that much from here. And then I guess that's the pool back there, but again, you don't really see the pool from this angle with all the trees. And again, I have, just like last time, I have a great view of Ellis Island off in the distance. And we do have a pretty good view. This is considered a high roller view, which I guess I've never had that before. So it's fine. You know, comparing it to other Caesars properties, I like the location, I like the room fine. I think it was up to me, I would still choose one of the towers at Bally's over this in terms of budget properties here in Vegas. But, you know, if you want a sort of bigger, more of a party pool atmosphere, then Flamingo might be the right choice. And like I said, I can very easily recommend this room. So, anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you soon.